Yep. Another day here at Walmart, picking up two 48 uh, 48 packs of water here in Walmart. Because I don't drink out the tap. And neither should you. Should never drink out the tap. Just doesn't make any sense. Why drink out the tap when you can go get some water? Now me, what I do, every time I come to Walmart, I take a little stroll around, loosen my legs up a little bit, see what's going on, what's being advertised, tempt myself a little bit, maybe with some clothes, maybe with some women. So camera's a little can't really see what's going on the camera. I tempt myself, walk around a little bit, just see what's going on, see what's on clearance, what's not, see if I can re-jog my memory on things that I may or may not need. But I always like to take a stroll around Walmart, no matter where I am in the world. I'm just going to take a stroll around Walmart to see what's going on. Like, for example, over here in the oral hygiene section, because I just got a toothbrush and let's see, just got this one. Something costs more on Amazon. And when I realized that I could have got it for cheaper, matter of fact, it's this one right here. When I realized I could have got it for cheaper, I almost smacked myself. I paid almost twice for this. So I want to say that's the head right there. And I don't see any others. You gotta get them to open this up. But we're good for right now. And I need to make these horizontal instead. But yeah, so as far as like toothpaste is concerned, man, whew. Well, when I want to tell you, maintaining is so much harder than getting. Oh, let's go over here to the cologne. Let's see what kind of cologne they got going on over here. Got the best cologne, leave me alone. Nautica is fine. Her Yellowstone is cool. I have Fahrenheit down there. Fahrenheit is fine. Over here we have cologne for the women. I Am Juicy. Some Versace over here. CK. Haven't tried any of these. I do have this one right here. I have this one. But I have it in a bigger size. Must be the Dolce & Gabbana. Huh, interesting. Hugo, I've heard Hugo is good. I don't know about that one, but I've heard the brand is decent. Yeah, man. Walmart trips are always fun for me. I don't know. I guess I'm getting to that age where I guess I like the idea of spending money, but not actually spending money, even though I'm here to spend money. Like, I'm trying to think, what else would I possibly need? Let's see. Are there any? I may need like something where you can hold curtains up with. I don't see any on this aisle.
Something to hang your curtains with?
Yes.
That's over in housewares with the drapes.
Houseware with the drapes.
Yeah.
So,
Across the aisle.
so literally right behind me. Oh, see, reading is fundamental. I'm getting there. All right. Um, see what I mean? Oh, right over here. But then comes the next question. I gotta buy some drapes, and I don't want to buy any drapes. I do not want to buy any drapes, even though I need some. I promise you, I don't want to buy any. I just don't. You're fine. Just like I need to buy a carpet, but I don't want to buy a carpet right now. I just don't want to depart with my money right now. I just don't. Also, the other thing that I need would be picture hanging strips like this. Right here. But I'm not gonna spend that. I don't know. Maybe I'm strange and maybe I need to wipe my camera off. But I have to be in a mindset to spend my money. The other aisle that I always come down. I always come down this aisle. And I wish shoot, I could back this up. But the other aisle always is definitely the tools. I don't care where I am. I'm gonna walk down the tool aisle. I don't care if I came to spend money or not. I'm walking to see what kind of tools they have. You know, most people, especially young men, do not have toolboxes in their house. Look in your house. I bet you don't have a toolbox, and if you have a toolbox, you are ahead of so many people. So many people. Do you have a socket wrench? Do you have pliers? Do you have any type of ratchets? Do you have any wrenches? Do you have a tape measure in your house? Do you have screwdrivers? One thing I do need that I don't have at the house is a flashlight. What if the lights go out? Know what I mean? What you gonna do then? Who you gonna call? Are you gonna be able to take care of things? And see, the toolbox that I have 2 toolboxes. That's the one I have. Only cost $99. Gotta start getting it together. Have to start getting it together. Yep. Always walk down the tool aisle. It's habit. Form of good habits. The other aisle I walk down is power tools. Now, I don't need one of these yet because I'm not building anything. You know what I mean? I don't need one of these either. I'm not cutting anything. But you always need a drill. You always need a drill. You need drill bits and bits. Impact driver bit sets. You're always going to need one of those. And if I remember correct, I didn't even get mine from here. I got my drill bits from here, but I got my drill from Harbor Freight. I always walk down these, always, every time, just to see. It's just become a part of me. It has become a good, a great, excellent part of my evolution. And I love it. I absolutely 100% love it. Because it's something that I think every guy, every person should do. Just like another aisle that I always walk down, the guns. I always walk down this aisle. There you go, the flashlights right here. Always, because soon I'm gonna need to get some shotgun shells so I can go shoot that shotty. But I always walk down this aisle as well. Hell, even when I was a little kid, I used to walk down this aisle all the time. Know what I mean? Just certain things that you should do. Now, really, if I was to get anything today, it would be like ankle weights, which I know they have them. I know they have ankle weights here, and the ankle weights are primarily for mouth guard, ham wraps. I got a jump rope. Let me turn this around. Therefore, building up the abs, because I'm working out, I'm getting it together slowly and maturely, and trust me, it's tough. And then next thing I want to do also a sauna suit. I don't need a waist trimmer because I'm already trim. I'm already lean-ish. Not leanish. I am lean. And right now we're just cutting. We're cutting all the dead weight. And then eventually we will bulk up. But we're getting it together. So right now we're looking for ankle weights. Thought that said flat backs, but nah. Just want to look real quick just to make sure before I move on. And let's see, cooling towers. Sports wraps. Fitness recovery kit, which eventually I'll need. The more I work out, you'll be surprised how crucial that is when you're really going hard and you need to massage your muscles and calm them and relax your muscles. Oh, here we go. Ankle weights. Ankle and wrist weights right here. Yep. Now, I probably can't even do nothing with it, but as you guys have already seen, I have the gym. I got it going on. I really want these right here. And that's what. Is this just one? I think this is just one. It's gotta be just one. Yep, that's just one. But I need that. I need that bad. I need that real bad. Cause man, I got a nice little gym. The issue is, and it's not even an issue, it's more so just an add-on to my testimony, is I would have had my gains a whole hell of a lot earlier, and I'm not sure if are these two weights in here? I think it's two weights in here, and that's only $100. I might have to come back. Yeah, this is what I need right here. I need this. See, that's what I need. That looks like two. Let's read. This looks like two. It doesn't say two up in here though. Oops. I don't want to knock it off. It doesn't say if there's two in here. It just says adjustable. But I need this. So I'm gonna hold off on that. We're gonna move this back. But yeah. See, it's just all part of the testimony. You know what I mean? Because everybody has a story. And the question is, well, what is your story? And how do you want your story to be told? This is something I think about every single day. When I don't feel like doing something, when I don't feel like getting up to work out, when I fail at something, when I can't remember something, when things don't go my way, when people don't react the way that I want them to react. I say this is all part of my story. This is all part of my testimony. And the thing that I want people to get from my story is that no matter what happens, I always walk down this aisle too. But the thing that I want people to get from my story is that you can always bounce back. You can always come back from anything. Doesn't matter where you start. Excuse me. Doesn't matter where you start. It's where you end up. Doesn't matter how many times you get knocked down, but how many times you get back up. And I know it sounds cliche, but excuse me, but some days are most definitely harder than other days. I mean, some days you just feel like you're not good enough. Some days you feel like your efforts are not being reciprocated. Some days you feel like you're not making progress. But getting up is progress. And I said 48, but really 40. So I made it over here to the waters. Alright. So I'm gonna go ahead, put you down. Excuse me, what's going on? All is well, brother. Yep. I'm all up in the all good. Just gotta keep going. Gotta keep it up. Gotta keep going. Because at the end of the day, no one's coming to save your ass. Ooh, there go my gingerbread cookies right there. But I'm finna leave them. No one's coming to save your ass. Nobody. Nobody's gonna come do the work for you. You understand? So, what you gonna do? How are you gonna act? You know, there's so much opportunity out here. And are you gonna go for it? I say go for it. I say don't give up on yourself. I say always put in 100% effort. But at the same time, always strive for something else. Always have another way out. Never let them corner you. And with that said, it's the Don, the Senator of Smooth and Rude, coming to you live from the 501, the 804, and the 75. Why? Because we global, baby. Yeah.